Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to smoke some cocktails at home, but you don't know where to start? This smoking gun kit from Homia is absolutely where you need to start. Whether you are an expert at smoking cocktails at home or you have absolutely never tried and this is your first time, I'm telling you, this is the kit for you. They thoughtfully included 4 different flavors of wood chips. There's tweezers, so you're not going to have any trouble getting those little wood chips into the area to burn. The gun is so substantial and well made. You simply place those wood chips where you want them, light it with the torch, and then turn on the gun, and you're going to see how easy it is to get a significant amount of smoke. So if you wanted to add the accessory that they offer of the smoked bubble effect, it has the accessories that you need to create those smoked bubble cocktails, and you just have to get the solution separately. And I was so surprised how easy it was to create those bubbles full of smoke on my cocktails. It was actually addictive. It was so easy and so much fun to do. Homia also allows you to smoke food like cheeses or meats under this beautiful dome that you can purchase. You can create bubble cocktails so easily. You just have to purchase the bubble solution separately. So if you're looking to jump into the smoked cocktail world and you just don't know where to start, I highly recommend this beautiful kit from Homia. They have a lovely, high quality, professional grade gun. All the accessories are easy to use, and before you know it, you're going to be impressing your friends and family with the incredible cocktails that you're going to be making. And that is my point of view.